Hey everyone, so before I start this video, I just want to thank Ipsy and their brand partner, Thrive Causemetics, for sponsoring this video. My acne, let me just cover this up with my hair. You can't see it. Okay, we're starting. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. It's me, Tima. So I was gonna do a full face of Korean makeup like I did a few years ago with my friend Miles, but Thrive Causemetics sent me their entire makeup launch recently and they have a bunch of stuff that I want to try out for you guys. The main product that I want to show you guys today, however, is their liquid lash extensions, and this product, you guys, is crazy. It makes your lashes look like you actually have extensions in. For me, I already have long lashes, but this really extended them and it also added a lot of volume to them as well. So I'll be showing you guys a before and after, so stay tuned. And just a few more things to note about Thrive Causemetics is that they are vegan and cruelty-free. They are formulated without any parabens or sulfates. And for every product that you purchase, Thrive Causemetics donates to help a woman thrive. They're all about supporting and empowering women who are fighting cancer, surviving domestic violence, and emerging from homelessness. Is their CC cream, and they have actually a pretty wide shade range. I know that other black creators have actually tried this out, but I've never tried a darker CC cream before, or even a BB cream, honestly. At the time, I didn't really see a point because I was wearing a lot more high coverage foundations. It has 35 SPF. It's their broad spectrum buildable blur CC cream. We're gonna see if this works today. I also have a bunch of their other products that they sent me. I'm gonna just go in with the CC cream and see how much it actually covers my face, because I have a ton of spots here, hyperpigmentation from previous acne. So we're gonna see if that covers it. And yeah, we're just gonna go in. And they also sent me a cute little blend and blur sponge. Just wet this a bit. I'm gonna put this on my hand. Oh, and this is how the shade's looking. The shade is in Rich Tan. I think on the website, I was trying to figure out what my shade was, and my shade in the Fenty is like 380 or 390 to pick out your shade and what it matches to best, but none of my shades were on there because I'm in that in-between color. This is what it's looking like. Oh, actually blends in pretty nice. It can be either really just too dark or too light for me, and it's really hard to tell sometimes. Like, this is looking a little bit light on my skin because I think in the center I'm usually a lot lighter, and then everywhere else I'm just darker. So I'm gonna, luckily I have a bronzer with me to go ahead and, you know, darken that up a bit. But it doesn't feel like it's gonna be oily. It just feels like it's gonna hydrate my skin. Actually, this, it's weird, like it's hydrating, but it doesn't feel like it is oily. And usually foundations or CC creams or BB creams that have sunscreen are a lot lighter. Yeah, so if you guys are my skin color, I would go a shade darker maybe. Skin actually looks really, really nice after putting this on, like just the CC cream itself, like it just looks really glowy and nice. Oh yeah, I want you guys to let me know if you want me to like try out any in the future, any like Korean foundations that do have darker skin tones, so I can go ahead and test those out, because I've always wanted to do that, but like I didn't really have the time because I was working a lot back then, but I also didn't really have the money to just like spend on trying out a bunch of different foundations. About to use Thrive Causemetics Soft Focus HG Setting Powder. So I haven't tried this yet, but I'm curious to see how it's gonna make my makeup look. Get another beauty blender and just dip this in. Like, it's already mattifying my makeup very, very nicely. And I usually don't put on an eyeshadow primer, I just put a little bit of concealer and then I put translucent powder over it. So I've also been feeling like I haven't really felt that productive lately, or I haven't felt like being productive. Like, I always feel like I'm in procrastination mode recently and I don't necessarily know why. So I'm gonna let this this bake still, and then I'm going to my eyebrows next because they look a little bit crazy on camera. All right, so I've never actually used a bronzer before, believe it or not. And this is their Sun Chaser Blur and Sculpt Bronzing Powder. This is what it looks like. I know this is the wrong blush to use with a bronzing powder, but we're gonna just go in with this. I'm gonna go in here. Actually, this is great because it's not too dark for my skin. Also, I love the finish of everything that's going on. Next, I'm gonna be going in. I feel like I should just go in straight for my eyes at this point. So they actually sent me 2 brushes. So I'm gonna use these for my lids today. So let's go ahead and use their Waterproof 360 Eye Lift Primer. I think this is gonna be really good. I have a feeling, because the other one that I have, to me, acts like a moisturizer for my eyes. It doesn't really act like it's an eye primer. But I'm gonna be going through these 2 palettes today. This is what the palette looks like. I think it's all matte and it has like 1 shimmer color to it. And we're gonna put Bethany all over my lids first, just as a nice little base. And I'm gonna go in with this warm tone brown. This is in Frida. Really do this like brown smoky eye effect. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the Liquid Lash Extensions. Now, I used this a few times even with like my natural makeup look, and it looks so good, you guys. It really does make your lashes look super long. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys more of a close-up on this mascara. I'm just doing one eye for you guys so you can see the difference between this eye and the other one. And just look how it's lifting the fibers up, and it's actually creating more fibers onto each lash, making it a lot longer than it actually is, which is great. So even once you take off the mascara, like, you'll see that there's a lot of excess product out of it. The difference is huge. I'm also gonna use the Brilliant Eye Brightener and just brighten up my eyes more here. I do this after because sometimes I can mess up with my liner. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Hello Gorgeous Cosmo Powder in Angela. Oh, it actually has like a nice metallic finish, and it's pretty glowy. I'm going to be using the Thrive Causemetics in Aquila. This is like a nice, like, brownish pink color. And then I'll be using the Thrive Causemetics lip gloss. This is in Charlotte. Ooh, this looks so cute, you guys. Okay, so this is it for the video. Hope that you guys like it. Let me know what you think of the finish. I personally, my verdict is on this is that I love the finish of it. I love my eyeshadow look. I love how everything is looking. My lashes look really good. I'm not sure if y'all can see. Yeah, I also am really liking this gloss a lot too. Yeah, I hope that you guys like it. Thank you to Thrive Causemetics for sending me all of these items. This is the face I have. I'm using the CC cream, and if you guys like how this looks, definitely go get you some. Remember, I am in rich tan. This is how my skin looks in comparison to my arms. Anyways, you guys, thank you. Have a nice day. Be sure to go ahead and check them out. I hope you guys like this look, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright everyone, thank you guys for watching, and I also want to thank again Ipsy and Thrive Causemetics for sponsoring this video. Bye guys!